Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to deposit money directly from your bank account to Bybit step by step, safely and quickly. If you are a beginner or switching from another exchange, this is the guide for you. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Bybit account and create one if you haven't. Before you can deposit fiat currency, you need to verify your identity. Go to account, then go from your account, select identity verification from here. Select your country name, then I have confirmed on my selection as true and correct. Check the box and click confirm. Now select submit, then follow the process. Identity verification, then click verify now and follow the process. Upload your ID document and a selfie. Verification usually takes a few minutes to a few hours. Once verified, your account can accept bank transfers. Next, head over to Buy Crypto tab and choose Fiat Deposit. Here you will choose the currency you are depositing like USD, Euro, GBP, INR, etc. Select your currency, then select bank transfer as your payment method. Bybit will display available providers based on your region. Now select a payment provider. Some may support instant bank transfers while others are manual. Then enter the amount you want to deposit, review the exchange rate, fees, and processing time, then hit continue. You will be redirected to the provider portal. In the payment providers window, enter your bank details or login if login if online banking is available. Some banks support UPI, SPA, ACPA, faster payments, or wire transfer, depending on your country. Make sure to copy the reference code and use it when transferring manually. Confirm and send payment. The system will track your transfer status. It may take instance to 2 hours for local payments, 1 to 3 business days for wire transfers. Once your fund is arrived, Bybit will notify you by email and show the amount in the fiat wallet. You can now buy crypto directly from your fiat balance, transfer funds to your spot wallet, use them in P2P trading or earn programs. Always double check transaction history under assets fiat. Now go to P2P trading. From here, you can buy crypto using your bank account. Select payment method like bank transfer, then confirm, then select buy, select the crypto name like USDT, BTC, Ethereum, USDC. Now choose a seller like that. Then click buy USDT, enter your amount, then click buy and follow the terms and follow the process. A few tips. Always check the reference code when sending funds. Make sure your bank name matches your KYC name. Avoid using third-party bank accounts. If payment doesn't arrive after 3 days, contact the payment provider first, then reach out to Bybit support with your transaction ID and screenshots. And that's how you deposit money from your bank account to Bybit. If this helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and comment below. If you have any questions, I reply to every comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy trading!